everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is so delicious that I couldn't stop standing underneath my mom while she was making it, and you're going to see me in the video. So anywho, it is bacon cheeseburger meatballs. And my mom got this video from her mom that she found on, I'm guessing, Instagram. It was some sort of a reel, we're not really sure, but the name of the person was Carnivore_meal_ideas. So we're going to copy and paste. My mom just wrote down all the recipe. So we're just going to copy and paste that and put that in the description box below so that you can have that information if you have Instagram, because my mom does not have the social media. But anyway, so this is just delicious, just so delicious. And you make them raw and freeze them, and then you heat them up from frozen. And my mom found a couple of different ways to do that because the video only had air fryer as an option. But if you're out of town or at a condo or something and there's only an oven and there's not an air fryer, you got to have another way to cook them. So we use the oven in the video, and you'll get to see how that works as well. But anyway, this is delicious, so yummy. You really need to give it a try. It tastes like little bacon cheeseburgers. So yummy. So anyway, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
All right, so like Yoda said, yes, I did say, now I'm looking for crumbs, Mom. We are making something he really wants to find the crumbs for. I found this off of a video my mom sent me. I guess it was on an Instagram reel. It was on some sort of reel. And I'm not on social media, so I don't know. But it was on some sort of reel, and it said carnivore meal ideas with underscores in between each word. I'll put I'll put all this in the description box below. I had to watch the video a million times and then write down the recipe. So I'll copy and paste it and put the channel I got it off of down below. But let me tell you what's in here. So we're doubling the recipe. We're supposed to use 1 pound of ground meat. We're using 2 pounds of ground ribeye. And then we also are using, it's supposed to be 1/2 cup of cheddar. We're using a full cup of Daya cheddar dairy-free cheese. It's supposed to be 1/2 cup of pork crumbs. So we're using a full cup. And then it was a 1/2 pound of bacon chopped up, raw bacon. Okay, this is raw bacon and raw meat. So we used a full pound of this hickory smoked raw bacon that we chopped up. And then to taste, you use sea salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and white pepper. And then 1 egg. So since we doubled the recipe, we used 2. So a just egg is 3 tablespoons of just egg equals an egg. So 6 tablespoons. Then you mix it up. So I mixed it once, then I added some more spices. I'm gonna mix it again. Then you use a cookie scooper to put it onto parchment paper covered cookie sheets, and then put them in the freezer for at least 3 hours. So let me get them on there, and then I'll show you that. All right, so this is what they look like, little balls of meat. So we're gonna put them in the freezer for 3 hours minimum until they're frozen solid. All right, so they were frozen for a minimum of 3 hours. Actually, I just left them in there overnight, and I'm now taking them out and portioning them out. So there's 24 in this bag. And I'm putting these in the freezer. I put 30 in another bag in the freezer, and then there's 20 right here that we're gonna make and have right now. So that is a total of, let's see math, 30, 40, 50, 60, 74, almost 75 meatballs. And technically if we made some a little smaller, we could have had a 75th. So when you double the recipe, 75 is what I was able to get out of them. So just so you know. So we're gonna cook these. You can either air fry them for 10 minutes at 400, or you can cook them in the oven at 350 for 15 to 25 minutes, just depending on the size of the meatballs, and then you turn the meatballs as needed. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep them on the parchment paper and oven cook them and see how that goes. Okay, I did 350 for 15 minutes, give or take. It might've gone a little longer. I turned them over once using some tongs during that in a 350-degree oven. So they're done. They're only supposed to be 145 internally, and this one's 162. So they are done. Yep. Anyone I stick it in is well done. So we're gonna eat these, and they look delicious and smell delicious, and I'm so excited. We're having ours with some avocado, some guacamole I made. Yeah, we can dip them in there. So enjoy, give it a try. So good, so easy. Bye.